Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, many iPhone 16 customers are complaining that their touch screen not working. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can solve this problem in your iOS device. So let's start the video without wasting any time. To fix touch screen problem on iPhone, first open the settings application. Now go down to accessibility and tap on it. On the accessibility settings, go down to touch and tap on it. Then tap touch accommodations and turn it on. After that, select use initial touch location under the tab assistance. Now swipe down and tap swipe gestures. Then turn it on. After that, select standard under the required movement. Method 2. Reboot your iPhone. Guys, if this method doesn't solve your problem, then reboot your iPhone once. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the lock button until the Apple logo appears. Now your iPhone will shut down and restart, and the Apple logo will appear on the screen. So guys, that's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.